Hello students, welcome to the Maths online class. Dear students, how are you all? I hope all are fine and safe. Children, have you finished your homework, ma? Have you finished your homework? Very good, super. Children, listen. So today we are going to learn about Unit 4, Shapes, Roll and Slide. Okay, shapes, roll and slide. Children, today we will solve the worksheet 9 and 10. Okay, today we will solve the worksheet 9 and 10. Okay, dear children, listen. Let us revise now. Okay, students, listen. What is the shape, ma? First, what is this? Ball. Okay, what is this? Ball. Okay, children, what is the shape of the ball, ma'am? What is the shape of the ball? Very good. So this sphere shape. Okay, this sphere shape. Children, listen. How many faces, ma'am? How many faces? So this face curve or flat? Only one curve face. Okay, only one curve face. Okay, children. So this ball, ma, this shape sphere. Okay, so this face curve face. Okay, is it clear? Okay, students. Next one. Children, what is the shape? Very good. Cone. Okay, so have you seen the cone shape, ma? Okay, children. So this cone shape. Okay, students, listen. So this flat face. Okay, so this flat and this curve. Okay, is it clear, ma? So this flat face. Okay, so flat surface. This curve surface. Okay, children. So there are two faces in a cone shape. Okay, one flat, one curve. Okay, students, listen. Children, what is this? Chocolates. Okay, what is the shape, ma'am? What is the shape? Very good. Cylinder. Okay, so this shape, cylinder. Okay, dear. Next, children. What is this? Pencil. Okay. What is the shape, ma'am? What is the shape? Very good. Cylinder. Okay. So this face, curve face. Okay. So this face, curve face. Next, this cylinder shape. Okay. So this face also curve face. Okay. Children, look at the slide, all of you. So today, Unit 4, Day 9. Okay, Unit 4, Day 9. Children, see the next slide. So today, learning outcomes, short objects based on if they roll or slide. Short objects based on if they roll or slide. Okay, children, listen. See the next slide now. Shapes that roll and slide. Shapes that roll on slide. Okay, shapes that roll and slide. Children, listen. Look at the book, all of you. Children, does this object roll or slide? Does this object roll or slide, ma? Very good. Slide. Okay, children, book have flat faces. Okay, so flat face. So this slide. Okay, a book slides. Children, so it will slide. See the next one, ma. Children, listen. So this beads. Okay, children, listen here. So this beads curve face. Okay, this beads curve face, ma. So this roll. Okay, it will roll. Next one. Okay. See the next one. Children, what is this? Ball. Okay. So ball curve face. Okay. Ball curve face ma. So it will roll. Okay. So it will roll. Okay dear. See the next one. So this pencil box. Okay. So pencil box. So it will slide. Okay. Students listen. See the next one. So this sphere shape. Okay. So this object roll or slide ma. Is this object roll or slide? Very good. Roll. Okay. See the next one. Children, roll or slide. So objects with curved face roll. Okay. Objects with curved face roll. So for example, sphere and cylinder. Okay. Next way, objects with flat faces slide. Okay. Object with flat face slide. For example, cube and cuboid. Okay. Children, is it clear? Okay dear. Students listen. What is the shape ma? What is the shape? Very good. Square shape. Okay. Children, is this object roll or slide? First, what is this face ma? Curve or flat? Flat faces. Okay. So, okay children, listen to me. This slide. Okay. Children, once again. So, this slide. Okay. Students listen. So, this slide. Okay. So, an object moving on is flat surface. Okay. Children, this face flat surface. Okay. So, flat. Okay. So, an object moving on its flat surface is said to be sliding. Okay. An object moving on its flat surface is said to be sliding. Okay. So, this object slide. Okay. Children, see the next one. Students, what is this? Pencil. Okay. What is this face ma? Curve or flat? Curve. Okay. Students, listen to me. So, this pencil roll. Okay. Children, once again roll. Okay. Children, so this curve face. Okay. So, it will roll. Okay. See the next one. Children, what is this? Chocolates. Okay. Look at me now. Children, we will use curve face. Okay. So, it will roll. Okay. It will roll. Okay dear. Next step, we take the cuboid shape. Okay. So, matchbox ma. So, it is cuboid. Okay. Cuboid shape. Children, listen here. Slide or roll ma. Children, look at me. Is this object slide or roll? Very good. Slide. Okay. So, this face flat face. Okay. So, flat surface. So, it will slide. Okay. Children, see the next one. So, this beads. Okay. Children, this curve face. Okay. So, this object curve face ma. So, it will roll. Okay. It will roll. Children, once again. Okay. So, it will roll. Students, listen. Next. Children, listen here. So, wooden stick. Okay. So, this fully flat face. Okay dear. So, flat face ma. Children, listen here. Look at me ma. Is it object roll or slide? Children, once again. Okay, so slide. Okay, so this object slide. Okay, students listen. Now we take the worksheet now. Children, take your worksheet. Worksheet number 9. Worksheet number 9 and page number 83. Take fast. Children, I am giving 10 seconds. Okay, I am giving 10 seconds. Take fast. Time start now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay dear. See the worksheet all of you. Worksheet number 9 and page number 83. Children, first one listen ma. An object moving on its curved surface is said to be rolling. Next one, an object moving on its flat surface is said to be sliding. Okay, so first picture, tire. Okay, a tire rolls. Okay, a tire rolls. Children, next see the next one. What is this ma? Battery. Okay, so battery, cylinder shape. Children, a cylinder rolls on its curved surface. Okay, a cylinder rolls on its curved surface. Okay, next one children, book. Okay, so this object, book. So a book slides. Okay, a book slides. Next picture, cylinder. Okay, so we will use flat face. Okay, so a cylinder slides on its flat surface. Okay, a cylinder slides on its flat surface. Okay, students, next look at the first question now. Put a tick if the object rolls on, cross if it slides. Okay, there are 4 shapes are given ma. First one, first column object. Okay, next we will write the shape name. Next, put a tick if the object roll. Okay, so put a tick if the object roll and cross if it slide. Okay, cross if it slide. Children, look at the board all of you. Students listen. Look at the worksheet ma. Worksheet number 9. Okay, worksheet number 9. Children listen. So put a tick if the object rolls. Okay, and cross if it slides. Okay dear. Children, first column objects are given. Okay, second column we will write the shape name. Next roll. So roll, tick, slide, cross. Okay, students listen. What is this object ma? Ball. Okay, what is the shape of the ball? Sphere. Okay, children. So first shape name sphere. Okay, children. So this sphere shape. Okay, this only one curve face. Okay, so an object having a curve face can roll. Okay, so this roll. So put T. Okay, students listen. See the next one. What is this now? Very good. So this shape name cube. Okay, so this shape name cube. Children listen. So first we write the shape name cube. Okay, children listen here. This cube shape. How many faces in cube ma? How many faces? 6 faces. Okay, so 6 faces. Children listen here. So 6 faces, flat faces. Okay dear. So first one sphere shape. So roll. Okay. So put a tick if the object roll and cross if it slide. So this object roll. So put tick. Next one cube shape. Okay. So this shape name cube. So this slide. Okay. So this flat faces ma. So this slide. Okay. So put cross. Next third one listen. Students listen. See the next one ma. Next is C. What is the shape ma? What is the shape? Very good. Cuboid. Okay. Children listen here. So the shape name cuboid. Children, cuboid has 6 flat faces. Okay. So 6 flat faces. So it will slide. Okay. Children, so slide. So put cross. Okay. Children, see the next one. What is the shape? Very good. Sphere. Okay. So first we write the shape name. So this shape sphere. Children, this curve face. Okay. So it will roll. So roll tick. Is it clear ma? This flat face. Okay. So this slide. So put cross. Next is this one sphere shape. So this curve face. Okay. So it will roll. Okay dear. See the slide ma. See the answer. So first shape sphere. So roll. Okay. So tick. Next B cube. So this slide. Okay. Next cuboid. So cuboid flat surface. So it will slide. Next one sphere. So sphere only one curve face. So roll. Okay. So tick. Children, see the next one. Next worksheet number 10. Okay, worksheet number 10. Children listen. So this question, draw objects that roll in the first column and objects that slide in the second column. Okay, draw objects that roll in the first column and objects that slide in the second column. Children listen. How many shapes are given ma'am? How many shapes are given in the question? Count them. How many shapes? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So there are 7 shapes in the question. Okay. Children listen here. What is the first shape ma'am? What is the first shape? Triangle. Okay. Next one circle. Third one ma'am. Third one what is the shape? Very good. Square. Okay. Next fourth one cube. Okay. Next shape cylinder. Okay. Next one sphere. Next cuboid. Okay. So triangle, circle, square, cube, cylinder, sphere and cuboid. Okay. Children, this question, draw objects that roll in the first column and objects that slide in the second column. Okay. Students, look at the board all of you. Students listen. What is the shape ma'am? What is the shape? Triangle. Okay. Next one circle. Next one square. Okay. So triangle, circle, square, cube, this shape, cylinder. Okay. Cylinder. Next sphere. Next one cuboid. Children, so square, rectangle, triangle, circle, pentagon and hexagon are 2D shapes. Okay. So cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere are 3D shapes. Okay. Children listen here. So shapes are also called flat. Okay, flat shapes. 3D shapes are also called solid shapes. Okay, students listen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 shapes are given. Okay, first we find the roll. Okay, a roll shape. Next we will find the slide. Okay children, so first column will it roll. Next one will it slide. Children, objects having a curved surface can roll. Okay, next objects having a flat surface can slide. Okay, students listen here. So this triangle shape. Okay, so this flat surface. Okay, so it will slide. Okay, so first shape triangle ma. So this flat surface, so it will slide. Okay, so this shape slide. Okay dear. Next this one circle. Okay, so circle flat. Okay, so it slide. Okay, so dry. Okay children, is it clear? What is the shape ma? What is the shape? Very good. Square. Okay. So children listen. Square, slide or roll? Square, slide or roll ma? Very good. Slide. Okay. So this flat surface. So this slide. Children, see the next one. What is the shape? Cube. Okay. How many faces in a cube ma? How many faces in a cube? Very good. 6 faces. Okay. So 6 faces. 6 faces fully flat. Okay. So flat face. Okay dear. So it will slide. Okay. So drag. Slide. Okay children. Next we will take the cylinder shape. Okay. Children listen here. Have you seen the cylinder shape? Okay. Students listen. Children. So this shape cylinder. Okay. So there are 3 faces. So 2 flat face, 1 curved face. Okay. Children listen here. So objects having a curved face can roll. Okay, so this object having only 1 curved face. Okay, so it will roll. Okay, it will roll. Okay dear, so cylinder roll. Okay, again roll. So draw it now. Okay, students, what is the next one ma? Sphere shape. Okay, so sphere shape. Children listen here. Look at the sphere shape. Children, so this sphere shape. Okay, children listen. This only 1 curve face. Okay, so curve face. So it roll. Okay, so it will roll. Okay dear. Next one, cuboid shape. Okay, so cuboid have 6 flat faces. Okay, so objects having a flat faces can slide. Okay, so cuboid slide. Okay children, so cuboid slide. Is it clear ma? So cylinder and sphere having only 1 curve face. Okay, so it will roll. But triangle, circle, square, cube and cuboid have flat surface. Okay, so this slide. Okay, is it clear ma? Okay children, look at the slide. See the answer ma. See the answer. Worksheet number 10. Okay, so cylinder, sphere, roll. Next triangle, circle, square, cube and cuboid, slide. Okay, children listen. So objects with curve face, roll. Okay, objects with curve face, roll. Objects with flat face, slide. Okay, objects with curve face, roll. Objects with flat face, slide. Okay children, did you understand? Students, what did we learning today, ma? What did we learning today? Very good. Shapes, roll and slide. Okay, shapes, roll and slide. Children, rolling means turning over and over. Okay, rolling means turning over and over. Next one, sliding. Okay, so sliding means moving smoothly along a surface. Okay, so objects having a flat surface can slide. Okay, objects having at least one flat surface can slide. Okay, objects having curved surface can roll. Okay, is it clear, ma? Okay, dear. Thank you, children. See you next class, ma.